Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we will install Ubuntu server on virtual machine 20043 LTS. So for this, let's open ubuntu.com. Navigate to the download section and here it is Ubuntu server. Let's click on get Ubuntu server. Here click on option 2 manual server installation. So here you will get download Ubuntu server 20.004.3. So as you click, your download will get started. In order to save time, I have already downloaded it here. As you can see, this is a file Ubuntu 20.04.3 live server AMD 64.iso. So this is the same file exactly. Here you can see. After downloading this file, let's install this .iso image. So for this, let's create a new virtual machine with name, let's say app server. Here you have to choose Linux and here Ubuntu 64. Ubuntu 64-bit or as per your computer's configuration, either a 32-bit or a 64-bit, you can choose here. Now click on next. Let me cancel this because I have already downloaded it. Okay. Now click on next. Create a virtual hard disk now. Create a VDI. Next. So I'm here taking fixed size because fixed size is a bit faster as compared to the dynamically allocated sizes. Click next. So here is a default location. I will create it with a 10 GB. And here my virtual hard disk is getting created. So it got created. Now I will go into the settings, storage, click here empty. Here is an optical disk displaying here. Click on this and choose a disk file. So here this is a Ubuntu 20.04.3 live server AMD 64.iso. I will click this and open this file, and now this got selected here and I will click OK. For the network settings, let's go into the settings, click on the network. Here make sure this enable network adapter should be enabled and it is attached to the NAT, and enable adapter 2 also, so that two IPs can communicate to each other, and here attach it to host only adapter. So in this way you will get two IPs allocated to this server. Click on OK. Now start this server for the installation. So as you can see the settings here mentioning base memory 1024 MB, that is 1 gigabyte. So here is a settings and the configurations which you can see here. So here our installation gets started and it's in progress, as you can see. So here it is checking the integrity and this may take some time. So all checks are finished and no errors are found. Further installation is in progress. For saving your time, I'm just pausing this video. Okay, there's no need, it's all done. We have to choose the English language and I'm entering it, and we are here done with choosing the language and the keyboard configuration. Press click. So here you can see there are two IPs provided to you. One is by adapter 1 and the second is by adapter 2. Click on next. So here you need to leave it as blank. There's no need to provide the proxy address right now. Click on next. This is the mirror address. Done. And here continue without updating, but I would prefer for any installer if it's there for checking any updates. Or yes, I got an option update to the new installer if is there any. Let's wait while the update installer is being downloaded. The installer will restart automatically when the download is complete, as you can see here. Let's pause the video until the installer gets downloaded. Now the next step is it is asking for using entire disk. So I'm having 10 GB my local disk space, so I'm selecting it. Done. You can navigate it via using tab option. I'm entering done. Selecting continue below will begin the installation process. Yes, we want the installation to get processed, and I have chosen done. And here you can give your name and your server name. Press tab and your server name you can give Ubuntu server or app server. Pick a nickname. I'm choosing Sagand. Choose a password. You can choose your password here. Now press done. So install Open SSH server. Yes, we will require it. Press enter for make a selection and press done. So we don't require anything right now to get installed. There are some popular setups, like if you want to install it in your package, so there are some packaging details. We are just skipping it right now and entering done. The installation is in progress. Let's pause this video so that your time doesn't get wasted. So as you can see, our installation got completed. Now we will reboot our app server on Ubuntu virtual machine. Press enter and it will start rebooting it. So finally, our app server got installed. Let's log in to this app server. As I have mentioned my username as Sugan, and I will give my password. So here you can see it is showing welcome to Ubuntu 2004.3. Thank you. Thanks for your patience and support. Here we are done with this session.